Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Asosio. Alright, this afternoon, I myself and my friend visit here. We call that 7 cave. Can you imagine that? This is the most cave, the biggest mosque in Indonesia nowadays. This is very famous now. We call that Guha, tujuh or 7 caves. You know what? No one knows about this location exactly because the road is very dangerous. It's because from Banda Aceh you have to spend the time 1 hour or 2 hours. Nowadays, I myself, as tourist guide, I would like to promote my friend as local guide here. Get local here. We call it local guide here. We call it, this name is Romi, and then Kadam, and Awali, and Putar. Here, very young local guide here. Local is very famous nowadays. Know a lot of history about this cave. In one of the Indonesia, for example, in Aceh, example, we have a lot of cave. Example, 7 cave, and then lawueng cave, and then Gurte cave. This is very famous nowadays. But the biggest one in Indonesia, we call that this tujoh cave. Alright. My name is Salvador Nani. I'm going to promote if I can United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Africa, Europe, invite a lot of people to tourists visit Aceh after pandemic COVID-19. Since COVID-19, we call it coronavirus 2019, no one tourists visit Aceh. But after COVID-19 gone, we prepare, we are ready for the waiting like tourists from 5 countries. Alright, that's my time. I speed it up, or one more time, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel is from 5 countries. Alright, that's all.